Hello everyone, I am Akash and you're watching NetCell Programming. So, in the last tutorial we have discussed about the while loop. In this tutorial we will discuss about the password game. So, in this tutorial we will just use the while loop and we will also use if and else statement in our program to build a password game. So, here I have a variable which is a secret word. Here I am going to describe our password which is going to be nutshell, and I'll write another variable which is going to be password. Here user will store his password whatever he is going to enter in the output. So we have two variables which is secret word and second variable which is password, and here I use the while loop. While password is not equal to secret word, so while our password is not equal to secret word, our while loop will work, and password is equal input. So here user will enter the password. If password is not equal secret word, then user will enter one more time password. If password is not equal secret word, then user will another time and enter the password. So here I use password is equal input, enter the password. So this is our statement where user will enter input his or her password. And I'll use another thing here which is going to be print. If our password is correct, then this print statement will work. So I'll write down print you win. So I'll simplify this program right now. We have two variables which is secret word, second is password. While password is not equal secret word, then a user will enter the password one more time. So if our password is correct, then print statement will work and you win get printed. So just play this program. Okay, you can see the output that enter the password. Where I have to enter our password, I'll write down the wrong password here one time, two time, three time, four time, and in the fifth time I'll write the correct password here which is going to be nutshell. So after I press the enter key, you see you win. Okay, so our print statement is working, our all this password game is working, but there is a problem that we have entered 5 time password, 4 time wrong and 5th time we got corrected. There should be a limit for the users to get enter the password. I'll set the limit 3 times, so user can only enter the password 3 times, and if he is wrong, if he entered the password 1 time wrong, if he entered the password 2 times wrong, and if he entered the final time wrong password, then limit should be exceeds and he should be out of the program. So I'll write down some variables here which is going to be pass count is equal 0, pass limit is equal 3, and our final variable which is going to be out of limit is equal false here. So out of limit is our boolean value and it is false. So you can see pass count is 0 which is our password count, pass limit which is our limit of entering the password which is 3. I have set to the limit of 3. You can use 4 times, you can use 5 times if you want to set the limit of password, so you can just change the value here. And right now our program is started. I'll write down password is equal plus is equal 1. So whenever user enter the password, it will increase by 1. So first time user will enter the password, then if it is wrong, then user have to enter the second time password. If it is also wrong, then user have to final enter the password. So okay, so our while loop is completed here, and I'll write down some if and else statement here also. I'll make some changes here, and you can see that our out of limit is equal false right now. Okay, I'll write down if our pass count is less than pass limit, because you can see that our pass count value is 0 right now, so means 0 is less than 3, so our user can enter the password. and after user got enter the wrong password, it will increase and our pass count become 1, and 1 is also less than 3, so it will enter the password one more time. If our pass count is 3, so 3 is not less than 3, then our else statement will work. And I'll write down something here, else, and because our out of limit is false here, so I'll write down and not out of limit, because a user can enter the password if it is not out of the limit, it is out of the limit, so he can enter the password here. If our if statement is not working, then our else statement will work, and I'll write off print is out of limit here, and it will become true because user have entered the maximum times password, so he have entered the 3-time password wrong. So if it is all 3 times wrong, the else statement will work and out of limit is now true. I'll write another if and else statement after these two if and else statement, and these should be like this: if out of limit, then if a user have entered the 3-time wrong password and it is out of the limit, so user will get printed print you lose, because he have entered 1 time wrong, 2 time wrong, and the final time also wrong the password. So our output should be you lose, because you have done your limit has been exceeds. So in the else part, I'll write down the another statement to get better interaction with the users. So I'll write down print limit exceeds. Okay, so if pass count is less than pass limit is done, it's not working, then our else part will work and limit exceeds and you lose got printed. If out of limit is not done, if user have entered the correct password, if he is not out of the limit, so our else statement will work. So I'll write down else here and write down some statement here. I'll make changes in this print statement, and I'll remove this you win and you have successfully unlocked the password. Okay, so this is going to be our statement. If user have entered the correct password in the limit, the limit is 3. Okay, you win, you have successfully unlocked the password. So that is all our program. We have 5 variables here. You can see 5 variables, 1 while loop, 2 if else statement here. So print you win, you have successfully unlocked the password. That's done. That's our password game. If this program is working properly, then our output should be shown in our print screen. So you can see this program is done, and I'm going to play this. Here user will enter the password. I'll attempt a wrong password here. Oh, okay, there is an error in the password plus is equal 1. Okay, so I have entered something wrong here in this first if statement, which is password plus is equal 1. Okay, so I have to remove this password plus is equal 1, and instead of this I'll use the pass count, because our pass count value is right now 0 and it should be increased. It should be increased to 1, 2 and 3. If the pass count value is 3, then if a statement will not work. So let's play this. Enter the password. Here I'll use some wrong password 3 times. Okay, I have entered the 3-time wrong password and press the enter key. You can see limit exceeds, you lose, because I have entered the wrong password in the first time and the second time, and the final time I have also entered the wrong password. So you can see that our limit exceeds, you lose is working. In this time I'll enter the correct password, so I'll use this first time wrong, second time wrong, and third time I'll correct the password. So it's going to be nutshell, and press the enter key. You can say you win, you have successfully unlocked the password. So it was all about this password game. You can also build game like this. You can also amaze your friends to make programs like this. You can build more complex program using the while loop and if and else statement in your program. So in the quick revision, I'll show you what I have done before. So here we have the our first variable, which is going to be secret word. It will store the nutshell value. Second variable is password. Third variable is pass count. Fourth variable is pass limit, and our fifth variable, which is a boolean value, it is false, out of limit. So pass count value is 0, pass limit is 3. Here we have used the while loop. Password is not equal secret word and not out of limit. So if this while loop is working, then if pass count is less than pass limit, if pass count, the value of pass count is less than pass limit, then enter the password and pass count will increase. It will become 1, 2 and 3. If the pass count is right now 3, then our else statement will work here. Out of limit will become true here. If out of limit is done, okay, so our print statement will work and you lose got printed because you have limit exceeded. If you have entered the correct password, this else will work and you win. You have successfully unlocked the password, got printed. So it was all about this password game. You can also make games like then you can take a screenshot of this. So if you enjoyed this program, please give a thumbs up, and if you want to watch more videos like this, please subscribe our channel. Thank you.